How to change your preferred location in McDonald's app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily change your preferred location in McDonald's app. So you'll need to adjust your device location settings for the app, as the app uses your device's location to find the nearby restaurants. So there isn't a direct way to set a default location within the app itself. So what you're gonna do is, so if you are using Android devices like me, just head over to your settings. And if you're using iPhone, it's also the same process. Now all you have to do is just scroll down and find the McDonald's app from your app settings. So I'll simply head over to my apps section and simply locate the McDonald's app. In this case, I haven't actually downloaded the McDonald's app because it's not available in my region. So I'll simply show you from an example. So let's say this is an McDonald's app. Now all you have to do is just head over to its permission section. And once you're inside here, just make sure you have allowed this location option from over here. Just click on this location and just click on this allow only while using the app, and just like that you have successfully allowed the location on your McDonald's app, just like that. So when your location services are enabled, the app will use your current location to find the nearby restaurants, which is helpful for placing orders and finding deals. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.